Hello, here today with Davis & Sons Home Inspection. Tell us, Chris, how you got into the home inspection business.
Well, I've always kind of been around the construction trades. I've looked at property, and once I had a friend who wanted me to check out a house for him before he bought it. And after that, I just kind of felt a calling to help other people make sure they're getting what they're paying for when they buy a new house.
Great. What makes you different than other home inspectors in the Mid-Missouri area?
I think what probably sets me apart is I'm InterNACHI certified, which is the top certification agency in the country. It's actually the only home inspector certification that's accredited and recognized by the Department of Education.
Great. Tell us how new homeowners or homeowners that are wanting to sell their house can schedule an appointment with you today.
They can find me online at inspectmidmo.com. They can find me on Facebook, Davis & Sons Home Inspection. The quickest, easiest way is just give me a call, 573-201-9123.
Great.